About this item: premium quality hi-fi DAC, built in a USB audio class 1.0 and 2.0 DAC ALC 5686 Realtek's high definition audio codecs SNR up to 112 dB support, high impedance headphone GRS, good sound. The higher sampling rate 384 kHz/32-bit results in better restoration of the original virtual signal, further improved sound quality, and listening to high-quality music anytime and anywhere. More accurately restore the original sound performance of the Studio. Headphone jack adapter, TRRS 3.5 to USB-C DAC, upgrade the record sample rate to 48 kHz/16-bit. High definition audio lossless output provides dynamic adaptive adjustment, easy to promote hi-fi headphones, stereo earbuds up to 35mm 32 ohm. Enjoyment of the on-the-go headphones DAC plug dongle. 32-bit USB-C to auxiliary dongle, built with high-quality materials to ensure superior durability, compact size and minimalist design, weighing only 0.14 ounces, easy to carry, 0.5 mm longer than normal, be effectively match a mobile phone with a protective case. Wide compatibility, works with a wide range of USB-C Android devices, switch game consoles and even